Hello and thank you for joining me today. I am Don Wyatt with Techstar. Today I would like to discuss flue gas analysis for safety and or control. Depending on the size and complexity of your fired asset, one may choose to only measure oxygen. As the complexity and size increase, one may choose to add CO and or methane, and sometimes a combustible sensor. Here at Techstar, we have technologies and manufacturers that can cover all of these application needs and requirements. That being said, we would traditionally use zirconium oxide-based oxygen analyzers to measure either in situ, where the sensor's inside the heater, or as the temperature increases, we would use a close-coupled extractive analyzer. With the advancements in technologies, we now have a probe-style TDL for lower temperature combustion to measure CO, O2, and or methane. We also have high-performance line-of-sight cross-duct tunable diode lasers that can measure O2, CO, and methane from the startup conditions all the way to the high-performance furnaces up to 1500 degrees C. With all of that being said, Techstar has the expertise to actually discuss which technologies are best for your specific application. We can look at the heater or the furnace or the boiler, show you where to install it from a physical point of view. Then we can discuss the aspects of point for probe style measurements or line of sight for the path style measurements. We can talk about the pros and cons of choosing one of those techniques. We also can discuss the different sensor technologies, how they work and how they benefit you and what the cons might be, looking at the long-term cost of ownership and the maintenance requirements for each. We can sit down with you, we can talk about your needs, we can lay out a solution looking at these different technologies that we have. And once that decision's made, we have the ability from a service point of view with both Techstar technicians and our manufacturer's technicians to provide startup services, routine maintenance services either on a on-call or on a maintenance contract situation, and we also have 24/7 support if you have a situation where you need help after hours. With all that laid out, we also have a third party that can actually run a project from conception all the way through installation, including all of the disciplines necessary for implementation of the measurements. Thank you so much for your time. We would love to meet with you. We can meet with you at Techstar. We have facilities here to have meetings, or we can come to you and discuss your needs. We look forward to hearing from you. There's very many nice features. It is a modular system which allows us to build the analyzer up for very simple single string applications to very complex.